From ActionableOps, here's how the Hermes Desktop app signs in to a gated gateway using your real system browser with no embedded webview and no session cookies. When the Hermes Desktop app connects to a gated gateway, it can sign in two ways. Native sign-in opens your actual system browser, you approve there, and the app gets its own tokens stored in your OS keychain. No embedded webview, no browser session cookies. The old way embedded a browser inside the app. You retyped credentials, password managers broke, and the app read a session cookie out of a private web view. Native sign-in fixes all of that by following RFC 8252, the industry standard for OAuth in native apps. Here is how it works. The app opens a loopback listener on a random port, then launches your system browser to the gateway, authorize endpoint with a PKCE challenge. The gateway brokers the flow to the identity provider. When you approve, a one-time code comes back to the loopback redirect. The app exchanges that code plus the PKCE verifier for its own access and refresh tokens. PKCE means the one-time code is useless without the verifier, which never leaves the app. The code is single-use and short-lived. The app does not choose between native and embedded. It reads the gateway status endpoint and checks the auth flows array. If native PKCE is advertised, the app uses it. If not, it falls back to the legacy embedded webview automatically. Tokens live in your OS keychain, encrypted at rest. The access token is short-lived, used for REST calls and WebSocket tickets. The refresh token rotates on a longer cycle. When it expires, the app clears everything and prompts a fresh sign-in. For gateway operators, native sign-in is automatic. Any gateway with a brokerable OAuth provider gets the native routes with no configuration. Password-only and token-only providers keep their existing login. That's native sign-in in Hermes Desktop, built by Nous Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's ActionableOps.com.